Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Mi 11i, and today I will show you how you can disable quick launch. And in this smartphone I set up the quick launch in the two ways, for double click power key and double press fingerprint sensor, and take a look right now. So as you know, the sensor is linked with power key, so when you double press power key you are able to open your torch. As you can see, the torch is activated. If you want to turn it off, just make it like that. And I also set it up as double press volume key, the power key, fingerprint sensor, sorry. The calculator is open. So if you want to get rid of that, you have to go for additional settings, find gesture shortcuts, and then go for the double tap fingerprint sensor, click no, and turn on torch, turn it off the switcher. Right now, as you can see, it's disabled, it's not working. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.